Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get money quickly on FreeCash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer, go to the FreeCash website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, let's focus on the fastest ways to earn money. The number one way to get money quickly on FreeCash is by completing high-paying offers. Click on the offers with big rewards and clear instructions. Game offers are especially good for fast money. Install the game, follow the steps and complete the required level. Next, check the service section. Some service pay quickly and take only a few minutes. Answer honestly and don't rush. Another fast method is daily bonus. Log in every day to claim streaks, rewards and free coins. Most important tips to avoid delays: use Google Chrome, allow tracking and cookies, do not use VPN, complete offers in the same browser. Save time, focus on one offer at a time and finish it completely. And that's it. That's how you get money quickly on FreeCash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.